Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 15 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees are given 500 to 520, given to 12 workers. 520 to 540, 14 workers are receiving. 540 to 560, 8 people are receiving, and so on. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. So we have to find what method have to be chosen to find the mean. Okay, let us see the daily wages. This is the interval. Now we have to see whether it is continuous or not, and the size of the interval. The lower limit of this interval is same as the upper limit of the previous interval. So this is continuous. The interval is continuous. Now let us see the difference between the intervals. 520 minus 520. Here also 20. Here also the difference is 20. In all these intervals, the difference is 20. So class size is 20. That is height is 20. Okay. So from this interval, we can say we no need to go for the third method. And we have to finalize the method what we are choosing. This depends on xi or di. Now let us find. This is daily wages and number of workers. These two are given. Number of workers is fi. We need the sum of fi. So we found sigma fi. Now we will calculate xi from the interval. Xi is class mark. Class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So 520 plus 500 by 2. This is 510. 540 plus 520 by 2. That is 530. In the same way, we have to find the remaining class mark. Here, see the class mark. It is 510, 530, 550, 570. It is very much larger number. So for multiplying xi and fi will be harder. So we cannot go with the first method. That is direct method. So now let us move on to the second method. That is finding di and fi di. Okay. Moving to the second method, we have to find the assumed mean. Assumed mean means A. See the number of intervals, number of rows, 5 rows. So we have to choose the middlemost number in xi. Here the middlemost number is 550. So it should be taken as A. Di equal to xi minus A. A is 550. So we have subtracted xi with A. That is xi minus 550. Subtracted and found the result. 510 minus 550 equal to minus 40. 530 minus 550 is minus 20. 550 minus 550 is 0. 570 minus 550 is 20. 590 minus 550 is 40. So we found di. See di now. Here 40 minus 40 minus 20, 20, 40. And fi, we cannot make any changes in fi, but we can reduce this di. Already we have seen height equal to 20 from the class size. Here also these numbers, this di are divisible by 20. So we can choose height equal to 20. Here the class size height equal to 20 and also common divisor of di is 20. Here the these di's are divisible by 20. So we have chosen height equal to 20. Okay. So now we will move on to the third method. Even though we have the same class size, we are moving to the third method due to the larger number we found in di. Okay. Formula for the third method to find mean is x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into height. We know what is a and what is height. So we have to find ui. Ui is xi minus a by height. This is xi minus a. Height is 20. So xi minus a, that is 40 minus 20 is minus 2. Minus 20 by 20 is minus 1. And 0 by 20 is 0. In the same way, we found the another two values. Okay, now we found ui. See, everything is single digit and easier to multiply with fi. So now we will multiply fi and ui. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. 14 into minus 1 minus 14. 8 into 0 0. 6 into 1 6. 10 into 2, 20. Now we need the sum of Fi ui. So we found sigma Fi ui equal to minus 12. Okay, now we will substitute sigma Fi ui and sigma Fi in the formula along with A and H. We have substituted A is 550 plus H is 20 into sigma Fi ui is minus 12, sigma Fi is 50. We have substituted and found the answer. What we have found? The mean daily wages of workers. The mean average wages rupees 545.2.